Have you ever envied plants and their ability to make their own food just by absorbing sunlight? Well, what if humans evolved to photosynthesize too? This may sound like science fiction, but let's explore what could happen if we developed chloroplasts and became photosynthetic beings. Before we bask in those rays, we need to understand how photosynthesis works. Plants use chlorophyll in their cells to absorb energy from sunlight. They take in carbon dioxide and water, then use that solar energy to chemically convert it into glucose and oxygen, their food source. Easy as that, right? But for humans to photosynthesize, we'd need a major evolutionary overhaul. Our bodies would require chloroplasts, the organelles that conduct photosynthesis. We'd essentially become plant-animal hybrids, strengthening our plant-like qualities. So how green would we actually get? Our skin could develop a tinge to help absorb more sunlight effectively. Maybe we'd grow microscopic leaf-like appendages packed with chlorophyll. One thing's for sure, we'd need a lot more surface area for optimal sun exposure. This new ability could transform human society as we know it. For starters, we could say goodbye to agriculture and food shortages. No more plowing fields or harvesting crops. We'd be completely self-sustaining. Cities could become lush urban jungles providing all the nourishment we need. We might not even need traditional shelter. With the sun as our energy source, parks and open spaces could become communal living areas. Our hunger for sunbathing could make tanning salons and tropical vacations obsolete. But such a jarring change wouldn't come without consequences. We'd essentially become rooted to locations with maximum sun exposure, possibly migrating with the seasons. Nighttime would prove particularly challenging for nourishment. Perhaps we'd develop the ability to store solar energy during the day. Our diets might transform too. Could we keep consuming other life forms, or would we survive solely off photosynthesis? Getting enough nutrients may require dining on soil or fertilizers, not exactly appetizing. We might have to supplement by continuing to eat fruits and vegetables. Of course, there could be some unexpected perks from being plant-adjacent. So while evolving with chloroplasts may seem far-fetched, it's fun to hypothesize how it could reshape the human condition. Who knows, maybe in a few million years taking kids to trees will take on a whole new meaning.